Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Stephanie. I'm so excited for today's video because it is a cleaning video, which is definitely one of my favorite kind of videos to make, and also some of my favorite kinds of videos to watch here on YouTube. So I'm cleaning out two of my closets that have been completely ignored and neglected since we bought this house. I literally have not reorganized, cleaned out, decluttered anything with either of these closets in a year and a half. So it's very cluttered and very disorganized, so be prepared for what you're about to see. And then this is a collaboration video with one of my new friends here on YouTube named Crystal Hansen. Definitely go check out her YouTube channel. I found her right around Christmas time when one of my other favorite YouTube videos that I follow, Lynette Yoder, posted one of her new videos and kind of made an announcement that Crystal had started a channel. So obviously Lynette has phenomenal taste, so I took her word for it, checked out Crystal's channel, and I was hooked from the very first video. She has an incredible eye for design and decor and putting things together. And then I discovered that she also has like a huge Instagram account, so go follow her on Instagram, Simply Girly Blog, and I will put both her YouTube channel and her Instagram down in the description box so you can make sure to find her. So she's going to be cleaning out her closet, so go show her some love and watch her video and subscribe to her channel. You will find so much inspiration and motivation. I'm always blown away at what she's posting on Instagram. She's always changing things up for the seasons and the holidays, and it's just super inspiring to see somebody like always make their home such a lovely place. So I think you're gonna just love what you find and enjoy her video. So don't forget to go subscribe and watch her video after you watch this one. And if you are coming from her channel, hello, welcome. So nice to have you here. I hope that you like this type of video and that you'll subscribe before you leave. And let's get into the cleaning. Here is closet number one. It is just a mishmash of cleaning supplies for the most part in this one. Just a bunch of cleaning stuff and a potty seat at the top. And then this is just junk. Honestly, it is just stuff that didn't have a home, so it ended up in the closet, and a soda can. I don't know how that got there. Okay, so first I had to get everything out of the closet, and after I finally got everything out of the closet, I really just sorted through it and decided what I wanted to keep and what I could toss. And then there were a few things in the other closet that I decided to donate, but I'm not going to talk a whole lot through this part because I'm really just taking stuff out, deciding what I want to keep, and then I organize a few cleaning caddies and put everything back in the closet. So you'll definitely be able to see very easily as we get to that part what is going on. Okay, this really did not take me that long, and look how much better it looks. I have my cleaning caddy for like bathrooms, and then I have my other cleaning caddy just for like all-purpose cleaning, some extra cleaning products, my Bona mop, and then my Shark cleaning pads, and it all fits so well in that closet. So after this closet was cleaned, I had to do the very same thing on the other closet and pull everything out and decide what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to get rid of. And you'll see that I found some old pictures from my past, which were cracking me up. Oh my goodness. I had a really fun life back back in college, as you will see here in these lovely pictures. Okay, I could not help myself. That is me on a train in Germany. And then this is on a backpacking trip. There are just so many fun things that I found here in this box. It's making me want to be like 25 all over again and go hike in the mountains. So it was really fun to find this old box of pictures. You guys, look at this user's manual from 1978. Can you believe it? This guy literally had a user's manual or a warranty or a guide or instruction manual for everything for this house. I'm talking the fridge, the microwave, the stove, the water heater, the fans. Anything that went into this house, he had a user's manual for. And when we first found them in the house, I could not bring myself to throw them away. But here we are a year and a half later, and I don't need them. I think I kept two. I think I kept the one for the fridge, and that's only because we had to put it back together after we got our floors redone, and we didn't quite know how to do it correctly. But yeah, all the other ones I just had to toss because we do not need them. Okay, here is closet number 2. It just feels so clean and open. I just have some extra decor and then light bulbs, user's manual, and then some caulking that goes around the bathtub that's like a peel and stick stuff. And then that basket just has a few extra organizers. So really, this closet is empty. I feel like the sky's the limit now. It just feels really good to have everything cleaned out. I cannot believe how much space is actually in this closet. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.